Hello all traders, today is Friday 22nd of November 2024 and we're going to look at the trades that we're going to take on Nasdaq, Dow Jones and S&P 500 futures. If we see low risk opportunities, if we look at the daily charts, we see that the price is in narrow range during the Globex session and it's not clear if the price is going to go down or up on Nasdaq, but it seems more trendy on Dow Jones and S&P 500. And by looking at 1 hour micro chart, we see that the price was fluctuating around the previous day close and high on Nasdaq in a very narrow range, about 50 points. And by looking at 10-minute macro chart, we see also that the price started to go up and then down within this range. So our plan of action is to wait for the price to go down and test this level of support. And if the buyers come back, we will take long positions. We set up B, C, and T repeatedly. So stay tuned and we're going to update you with any trades that we're going to take today. So we're back and waited for the price to have a deeper pullback. Now it's reaching the previous level of support that got rejected on Nasdaq and also S&P 500. So we're taking long position. We set up B first and then C and close it quickly in the upper area of the channel. And repeatedly take advantage of this uptrend, the small move. And if we see the buyers are strong, we will add to the position more. So we're cautious for now and enter only limited number of trades. Today is very choppy and non-trendy, so the novice traders should not trade this market, and only advanced traders should trade this market, which is volatile and has a narrow range and is not trendy, with setup B and C mainly. So I'm just managing these positions aggressively and see if the buyers push the price higher so we can reach the target and have some profit for today. So we're waiting more for the buyers to come back and add to the position close to the support area. We have to see if the buyers push the price higher, so we close the S&P 500 positions with profit, and also we close the Nasdaq one. We had one deep pullback and I added 3 positions on Nasdaq and waiting for the price to reach the break-even level and close some of these positions with profit. Since the market is choppy and non-trendy, we're done for the day. And let's look at the stats of all these trades that were copied by copy trader to multiple Apex Trader funding accounts. As you see on these accounts, we are positive and reached profit factor of 2.29, which is coming from 70% win rate, all from the 10 long positions taken, with the average win to loss ratio of 1. The largest winning trade was $350 and the largest losing trade was $274. So hope this trade taken by the PAAT system for fast scalping is useful for you, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day and also weekend.